If you're looking for part-time business ideas, there are several options that you can explore. Here are some ideas to consider. Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular part-time business option. You can offer your services as a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or social media marketer, among other things. You can find freelance work on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing, you can start a blog on a topic that interests you. You can monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students. You can use platforms like Zoom or Skype to conduct your sessions. Event planning. If you have a talent for planning and organizing events, you can start your own event planning business. You can offer services for weddings, birthday parties, and corporate events. Home-based food business. If you love cooking, you can start a home-based food business. You can sell your food items through online platforms like Facebook and Instagram. E-commerce. You can start an online store and sell products that you are passionate about. You can source products from local manufacturers or import them from other countries. Photography. If you have a talent for photography, you can offer your services for events, weddings, and portrait photography. These are just a few ideas for part-time businesses. It's important to research the market demand and competition for your chosen business idea before starting your venture. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your part-time business into a full-time venture in the future.